Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 of our 7-day Law of Attraction challenge. I'm so excited to be with you today. So, I hope you did a reflection of your intention which you set on day 1 and enjoyed the merry practice. Over the past couple of days, you've set intentions and worked on building self love and confidence, but that's just a starting point, isn't it? Today, we are going to take your manifestation practice to the next level. If you are here today onwards, you're going to get, next level with a simple but powerful challenge. So, are you ready for the challenge? Type ready in the comment section. The 24-hour positivity challenge. Yes, the goal is to go on an entire way without complaining. Yes, for 24 hours, no complaints. Sounds simple, but it's very difficult. I've gotten into this trap of complaining quite often without even knowing myself. But the beauty is, it might sound hard at first, but this simple challenge is going to help you shift your mindset, raise your vibration, and start attracting more of what you want into your life. What you first of all eradicated is, complaining, developing self-love. That's how the positivity is super important. And let's dive further into it. Why is positivity so powerful? We all say that, okay, positive minds, you follow me on various Instagram channels and Facebook. So here's why this challenge works so wonderfully. The energy you put out in the world is the energy you attract back. So when you complain about anything, whether it's a job, it's your commute, or a person, you're sending out a vibration of lack and frustration to the universe. So when you send that energy of frustration and lack, you're attracting more into your life. And the law of attraction is always listening to you and giving you more of what you focus on. But when you focus on positivity, gratitude, and solutions, you shift your energy. You align with a higher frequency and one that attracts abundance, opportunities, and good vibes. Positivity is a magnet for more positivity, and today we are going to practice this shift together. If you already not commented ready, comment ready in the comment box, and let's deep dive into this 24-hour, no complaining, challenge. Okay? So, in my personal experience, I want to share a quick story about my own experience with this challenge. When I first took this on, I realized how often I used to complain, sometimes without even noticing. Maybe it was about food. I would complain about my busy schedule, traffic, or how things weren't going my way. And this was, all unknowingly which I was doing it. But hence I was getting trapped into the same emotion and the energy, and hence my manifestations were not working. So when I took this challenge, but when I stopped and replaced those complaints with gratitude and positive thoughts, something amazing happened. It did not happen overnight, right? But I started giving myself these challenges more often. I started to feel lighter, more energized, and more open to new possibilities by just simply shifting my mindset from what was wrong to what's wonderful going on in my life. I began to see opportunities I hadn't noticed before. It's incredible how much power we have to change our circumstances by just changing our thoughts. Your subconscious mind is a gold mine. And I am confident you will experience the same once you go through this challenge. The 24 hours of positivity challenge. So here's how the challenge works. Okay, for the next 24 hours, you need to go without complaining. For next 24 hours, you need to go without complaining. If you see yourself complaining, correct yourself. Okay, this means no venting out, no grumbling, no focusing on what's wrong. Instead, whenever you catch yourself about complaining, pause and reframe your thought into something positive. The first key is taking a pause. Okay? Take a pause, reframe your thought into something positive. For example, if you are stuck in traffic, think, I'm grateful for the time to relax and listen to my favorite podcast or music. You took a pause and you reframed your thought. And if work is overwhelming, think, I am thankful for the opportunity to grow and improve. Pay attention to your thoughts. Be mindful how often negativity creeps into your mind without even knowing. It might surprise you at first how easily we fall into this complaining habit. But the key is to catch yourself and redirect your energy, into gratitude, into what miracles universe can offer. So once you do this 24 hours of challenge, at the end of 24 hours, take a moment and reflect on how you felt. What was challenging about this experience? Why was it so difficult to, quit complaining? Did you notice any shift in your energy or the mood? Were any positive experiences or any opportunities drawn to you during the day as you switched that non-complaining mode? And I would love to hear about your experiences. Post your reflections in the comments or in the group to inspire others and to reinforce your positive energy to others also. And go complaining for the rest of your life. You will see there's so much we complain about, but there's so much to be grateful for. And just before you go, I need to give you one bonus tip, for this challenge. For an extra boost, try and set a gratitude alarm on your phone for every few hours, maybe 2 hours. When the alarm goes off, stop and think of 3 things that you're grateful in that moment. Every 2 hours do that. Okay? This will help you stay aligned with positivity and amplify the challenge. Okay? So this is the bonus tip. And remember, this challenge is more than not just about complaining. It's about shifting your vibration and aligning yourself with a frequency that will help you attract more of what you want. Okay? So I wish you all the best for this 24 hours positivity challenge. And if you get stuck somewhere, reach out to me. But believe me, positivity is magnetic. And by focusing on what's good, you'll start to see the universe reflects the back to you in amazing ways. If you today feel that how grateful I am for this sun, you'll see how much beauty this sun gives you. But if you at the same time you're complaining why is it so sunny, you're going to get into a different vibration. Okay, so I'm excited to hear how the challenge goes. Keep the energy high, share your reflections, and remember, what you focus on expands. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. And stay connected for a daily dose of positivity. I am super excited for day 4, and thank you for day 1, day 2, and day 3. And we are getting there.